Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. Today we're taking a close look at the upcoming 2026 CFMOTO 700CL-X, a stylish, powerful, and tech-packed middleweight that's turning heads across the globe. If you're into retro-inspired motorcycles with modern performance, this one's worth your attention. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 CFMOTO 700CL-X stays true to its neo-retro roots but receives refined upgrades. The new LED headlight is sleeker, the tank has more aggressive lines, and the seat now features improved ergonomics. A redesigned rear subframe and fresh color schemes give it a bold, minimalist appeal. With premium finishes and attention to detail, this bike stands out in the middleweight segment. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the 2026 CFMOTO 700CL-X carries its reliable 693 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, now optimized for smoother delivery and enhanced fuel efficiency. With around 73 horsepower, it offers plenty of punch for both city riding and weekend escapes. Throttle response is crisper, and the lightweight chassis makes for agile, confidence-inspiring handling. The upgraded gearbox and slip-assist clutch provide a smoother, more refined riding experience. Technology and features. CFMOTO pushes the envelope with improved tech. The 2026 CFMOTO 700CL-X features a vivid 5-inch TFT screen with Bluetooth, navigation, and ride mode selection. ABS and traction control come standard, and an optional quickshifter is now available. Suspension gets a fine-tune with fully adjustable KYB components, delivering a more comfortable and responsive ride. Final thoughts. The 2026 CFMOTO 700CL-X brings thoughtful upgrades while keeping its winning formula of performance, style, and value. Whether you're a new rider or an experienced enthusiast, it's a compelling package at a competitive price. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Reviews Pro. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert motorcycle reviews.